How to fix WhatsApp business status problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp business status problem on Android phone. First, open settings and then click here apps and then apps again. Now just type here WhatsApp and click on it, WhatsApp business, and now click storage and then click clear cache and now click permissions and allow all of those here. Wait, all of those storage, click on it and click allow and then go to data usage, check this one, background data, and now go back and go to battery and disable power saving mode and then go to storage, clean. Now just clean some space and now all your status problems will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.